Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning new recipes as one. Today is Friday's upload. I'm coming to you in 4K, POV, point of vision. And we're going to make another really quick, healthy chicken meal, one pan. I make this a lot, and it's really good to incorporate fresh herbs into your cook. Lemon is really good for you, so we're going to use the juice of half of a lemon in here, and when you combine that with cilantro, the taste is really unbelievable. Plus we're going to add garlic too. I don't have the garlic out, I forgot to bring it out, but garlic is really good for you, and lemon is really good, and it doesn't hurt to try fresh herbs. And olive oil is great, so let's get started. So for today, I'm going to use this Naked Truth chicken. I'm going to do a food review on this week. I use this all the time. It's already pre-cooked. It has grill marks. Going to use half of this lemon. I got Goya adobo with pepper. Where I live, we call these scallions. We call these scallions, but some people call them green onions. But I got cilantro, fresh Italian parsley, and I have olive oil. So the thing we're going to want to do is get started. Put a good amount of olive oil in here, and put your pan on medium. Put your stove on medium. And then we'll get the chicken in there and the rest of the stuff. It really doesn't take long to make this. If you already buy that chicken pre-cooked, it's really quick, a couple minutes. But if you have your own chicken, then you have to cook it longer. Be back. Alright, so we have our stove on medium. We got that olive oil in there. Hear that chicken? If you had to, you could turn this down to low. You definitely don't want to burn this. So you can take this adobo or whatever you want. Just put it over the chicken, and we'll throw some fresh herbs in there next. Alright, so the fresh parsley is cut up. If you want, try to get an herb scissor. You see this? These things are really handy. I actually have two of them. There's a brand new one there, and there's one here. You can use that to cut up the fresh herbs really good. So we have the olive oil in there, and we're going to throw the fresh parsley in there, and just mix it around. Right now I put the stove back down to low. I'm going to get everything in there, and then I'll turn it up to medium, and let all the flavors come together. I wish you could smell this kitchen already. I could smell the parsley, and that olive oil smells good. Alright, so we have the cilantro there. I use my chef knife, and I use those scissors like I told you. So just take the cilantro, throw it in there, and stir that around. Keep this pan on low. I know there's not a lot of display to this recipe, but this tastes really good, and this is really healthy. Like, I'm going to be using this garlic, which is not bad. This is natural garlic, really good quality, but if you had fresh garlic, it'd be even better. But this is a great recipe to make your go-to healthy chicken recipe, and you can put it over top of noodles, rice, pasta, whatever you want, over top of a bed of lettuce. So let's get the scallions cut up. And like I said, in some other parts of the country they call them green onions, and then after that we'll throw in the garlic, and we'll turn this up to medium. We're almost there. So when you cook with like fresh vegetables and herbs, it makes everything taste good. I know sometimes in the winter it could be pricey, but just look at this. You have the parsley and the cilantro in there. Makes for a good combo. And now we're going to do this onion. We'll cut some of the white part and some of the green part, and I'll save the rest of this for another recipe. But it really helps to cook with fresh stuff at times if you can afford it, because it makes the meal taste a lot better, and it's really healthy for you. Like this one here, if you want it, you could add in fresh tomatoes or canned tomatoes, but I'm going to skip it today. I'm going to leave the tomatoes out, but this is your cook, your house. Do it the way you want. Alright, so I got that white and green part of that onion. And like I said, on the East Coast, we call it a scallion. So, this is basically your green meal. Everything is green in here. So you're going to want to add garlic. Actually, if you had fresh garlic, it would be even better. But I'm going to use the stuff in the jar now just to save some time. Alright, so add your garlic. And basically, the garlic is your taste. So throw the garlic in here. If you want it more garlicky, throw more in. Garlic is not a bad thing. Now turn this pan up to medium, and then you'll start seeing it. You can hear it right now. Just bring all these flavors alive. Bring it all out. So while this is heating up and cooking all together, I'm going to cut that lemon, and we're going to use half of it. All right, I wish you could smell this kitchen. Now we got the lemon, and we're going to put half a lemon in there. All right, so we got the lemon in there, and we're going to squeeze. See the juice coming out. Now that fresh lemon is really good for you, and basically done. So let this cook for like maybe 30 seconds to a minute, and then turn this down to low, and then we can plate it, and you can go eat. Alright, so that's done, and I'm gonna put this over a bed of lettuce. You know what's funny? Like how I always say I'm Batman in the kitchen. I love Batman. I just got greens from New York City, and they're called Gotham. Right there, Gotham greens from New York City. They are awesome. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, there's your really healthy chicken fry, one pan over lettuce. We got a nice tomato. So this is Friday's upload. Next week I'm going to be bringing you that red clam sauce, like I said, and Mediterranean chicken. I was going to bring you that today, but I wanted to cook this. But this is how you can make a really healthy one pan meal. It's really good and tasty. And like I said, you could put it over top of rice or pasta if you want it. But that's basically it. This is Friday's upload. Like I said, I'll bring you those things next week, and maybe another one. I'm not really sure. Please subscribe, hit the bell for updates. I bring you at least 3 updates a week, and enjoy your weekend. God bless. Dansoy out. Peace.